Tired of complicated bank transfers? Let's unlock the simplicity of sending money from your Revolut account, both locally and internationally, in just a few easy steps. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. You'll land on the home screen. Tap on the transfers icon at the bottom of your screen. It looks like two arrows pointing in opposite directions. Now you will see options for internal transfers as well as external transfers. To send via bank transfer to an external account, click New, then Add a bank account. Next, carefully fill in the recipient's bank details. This usually includes their full name, bank name, account number, or IBAN for international transfers, and sort code for domestic transfers. Double-check everything for accuracy, as mistakes can cause delays or even lost transfers. After entering recipient details, it is time to enter the amount you want to send. Double-check you have enough money in your account and click Send. Before confirming, you will see the review screen clearly itemizing the amount and the recipient details you previously entered. Take a final look at all the information to make sure there are no errors. Then, if all is good, tap Confirm. Your transfer is now initiated. Revolut will usually provide an estimated arrival time, which can vary depending on the destination country and the recipient's bank. Remember that international transfers may have fees, so check Revolut's fee schedule for your specific currency pairing. And that's it. You've successfully completed a bank transfer using Revolut. Seamless, convenient, and often cheaper than traditional methods. Happy transferring! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Revolut tips.